Hello everyone. Now, after understanding of linear inequality, we will learn about simultaneous linear inequality. To solve linear inequality simultaneously means we will solve both inequalities separately. We will solve each inequality separately and find the solution, and then we will consider only the common solution of each inequality. Again, I am repeating, to solve simultaneously inequality means we will solve each inequality separately. Then we will consider only the common solution of each inequality. See here, there are two inequalities. First is 3x is less than and equal to x plus 6, and 2x plus 4 is less than 3x plus 6. So now we will solve this inequality separately and this inequality separately. Then we will see what are the common solution of each inequality. That common solution we will consider as our set of solution for both inequality. So let's solve one by one. First, solve this inequality. As x is variable here, we have to find value of variable x. What we can do, if we subtract x both sides, then this x and x will be cancelled out in right side. 3x minus x will be 2x less than and equal to 6. Now divide both sides by 2. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. X is less than and equal to 3. For first inequality, solutions are x is less than and equal to 3. See next. Here, what we can do, we have to find value of x variable. Let's subtract 4 both sides. So this 4 cancel out in left side. 2x is less than 3x. 6 minus 4 plus 2. Now what we can do, let's subtract 3x both sides. So here right side it is cancel out. 2x minus 3x will be minus x less than 2. Now remember, from linear inequality I told, if we multiply or divide both sides by any negative number, then sign will be reverse. We will use reverse sign. See here, now this is minus x, negative x, and we want value of positive x. Let's multiply both sides by minus 1 to change it into positive x. So here minus 1 multiply minus x will be positive x. Here it is less than, because we are multiplying both sides by negative sign, so sign will be opposite here. Reverse sign, it is minus 2. So what are the solutions? All those values which are greater than minus 2 will satisfy this inequality. But this is simultaneous linear inequality, so we will find only common solution of each inequality. Let's represent these values or these solutions in number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First inequality is x is less than and equal to 3. 3 is here. Less than 3, that means the arrow will be backward side. It is equal to 3, so the circle will be filled. Remember this one, because we are including 3 also, so circle will be filled one. It will not be hollow. Then we see this, we can see yes, all those values which are equal to 3 and less than 3 are the solutions of this inequality, will satisfy this inequality. Now let's see second one. X is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is here. Greater than minus 2, that means sign is like this. All those values which is greater than minus 2 will satisfy the second inequality. But in simultaneous, what I told, we have to find Common solutions. Let's see what are the common solutions. See, overlapping area is only this green and red one. This is the only overlapping area. That means overlapping means these are the common solutions. So what are the common solutions? -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. -2 is not common solution. According to first equation, -2 is solution for this one. But according to second, all values which is greater than -2, so -2 is not common solution. So how to write answer? We will write -2 is like this. X is greater than -2 and less than and equal to 3. This is the way how to write our answer. If we see this, we can say X is greater than -2. Yes, this is true because X value of X is solutions of X is greater than -2 and less than 3. Yes, less than 3. This is in overlapping and common solution, and equal to 3 because we will include 3 also. So this is the answer of simultaneous linear inequality. Method should be clear. What we have to do, we have to solve each inequality separately. Then we will consider only the common solution. For considering the common solution, we can represent in number line. Then we will see which are the common solution, which is overlapping area. That means this is the common solution. How to write this? X first. So all those values which is greater than -2 and less than and equal to -3 are the real solutions of both inequality. Let's solve more examples, then it will be more clear. See one more example. 4x plus 14 is less than and equal to x plus 5, less than 3x minus 1. We will write separately and solve each inequality separately. 4x plus 14 is less than and equal to x plus 5. Another is x plus 5 is less than 3x minus 1. Solve each inequality separately. We have to find value of x as it is variable. What we can do here, let's subtract x both sides. This and x and minus x will be cancelled out. To solve in any linear inequality means the method is same like we always solve any linear equation. In linear equation, we always use all mathematical operations both sides. So similarly for linear inequality also, whatever we are doing in right side, we will do in left side also. Both sides we will do the same thing. So now here subtract x both sides. So here x and x is cancelled out. 4x minus x is 3x plus 14 less than and equal to 5. What we can do now? Next, we have to find value of 3x. Let's subtract 14 both sides. This 14 and 14 will be cancelled out. 3x is less than and equal to -9. Divide by 3. 3 cancel out. 3 times 3 is 9. X is less than and equal to -3. Next, what we can do here? Subtract 5 both sides. So positive and negative cancel out. X is less than 3x minus 5 minus 1. Negative, negative. It will be -6. Now, what next we can do? Minus 3x. Subtract 3x both sides. Right side it will be cancelled out. Minus 3 and x is -2x is less than -6. Be careful here. We need the value of positive x. So let's divide both sides by -2. -2, -2. Then we will divide both sides by -2. So this sign will be reversed. Here it was greater than. So now it is, sorry, it was less than before, so now it is greater. This is cancel out. X is greater than, here also minus minus cancel out, 3. X is greater than 3. You can solve yourself, then it will be more clear. Now, for first inequality, value of x is less than and equal to minus 3. And for second is value of x or solutions of this inequality is all those values which are greater than 3. Let's represent both in number line. Or without representing also you can see all those values which are less than minus 3. That means opposite side, backward side. And all those values which are greater than positive 3. Forward from the positive number. That means there is no overlapping area. So the solution, no common solution. So answer will be no solution. For more clarification, just represent this in number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. X is less than and equal to minus 3. It will go like this. Equal to sign also, so circle will be like this. Next one is x is greater than 3. 3 is here. Greater means forward side. This is not equal to, so circle will be hollow circle. We can see here is no overlapping area, no common solution. So answer is no solutions because there is no common solution for both inequality. Clear? So now if there is overlapping area, we will check what are the common solutions. The solution will be answer, but here no common solution, so answer is no solution. Let's see one more example. 3x minus 5 is less than 26 is less than and equal to 4x minus 6. Let's separate it. 3x minus 5 is less than 26. Another is 26 is less than and equal to 4x minus 6. Let's find the value of x. Add 5 both sides. It will be cancelled out. 3x is less than 26 plus 5 is 31. Divide by 3 both sides. 3 cancel out. X is less than 31 by 3. We can write it like this, 10.33, or x is less than 10. It will be easy to represent, so just I am writing 10.33, 10.33 like only 10. So x is less than 10. Solve second one. Add 6 both sides. It cancel out. 26 plus 6 will be, so here it is 26, right? Yes. So 26, 32 less than and equal to 4x. Now divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. Divide 32 by 4 will be 8. So 8 less than and equal to x. So write like this, x is greater than and equal to 8. For solution, all those values which are less than 10 will satisfy this inequality, first inequality. All those values which are greater than 8 and equal to 8, that means 8 also satisfy this inequality. Let's represent this also in number line. Okay, so x is less than 10. X is less than 10. Not equal to 10, so circle is hollow. Next, X is greater than and equal to 8. 8 is here. Equal to, so it is filled. Greater than, so we will represent like this. Now check what are the common solutions. So this is the only overlapping area, this one. So common solutions are 8, 9 and 10. So what is the answer? 8, 9, 10 are the common solution which will satisfy both inequality. So method is clear now. After this, we will learn about coordinate geometry. Then coordinate geometry will be clear. After that, we will again come in inequality and represent inequality in graph. So before representing this inequality in graphs, we will learn about coordinate geometry. So do more practice from your book, solve more questions, and we will discuss in class. Thank you.